and you will notice it comes out. Garlic peeling, especially the bigger ones, are better. But when it comes to the teeny tiny ones, the ones that you actually get in India, they are a little difficult to peel. So I'm going to show you today a simple hack of how you can peel this kind of garlic at home with a little less effort. This is the small size garlic that you see, and what we will do first is we'll remove each clove of garlic from this garlic head. Once you are done removing the garlic cloves, soak them in water in this way, and you will leave it for 30 minutes to 1 hour soaked in water. After soaking, you'll just take one garlic like this and try pressing it, squeezing it, and you will notice it comes out. Oops, see, it just slips off that easily, and the garlic skin is out very nicely. Now, even if you try peeling the garlic in this traditional style, you'll notice that it comes off very easily. That's because it becomes quite soft when you soak it in water. See how quickly the traditional way of peeling garlic also is done. I love the one where you squeeze it and it just pops out, it's very quick, very easy. And for those which do not come out in that way, you can work your way like this. You all can store this garlic in the fridge for 15 days to 1 month, but only thing is that you all will have to pat it dry with a towel before storing it in an airtight container. Wasn't that hack a useful one? Definite enough, struggle with garlic cloves are going to become a little less after using this hack. Do let me know in the comment section, what do you all think about it, if you all have made use of it or if you all are going to make use of it. For those of you all who have any suggestions or requests, please do let us know in the comment section, or you all can send us an email. All those of you all who are new visitors to my channel, I would sincerely request you all to please click on the subscribe button and the bell notification icon to get updates on all my upcoming videos. I'll see you next time with another new hack. Yes, the new hack is going to be about all this design that you see in the background. It's going to be about that. So I will let you know in the next hack how you all can go ahead and get your background or your house wall decorated at a very low budget cost. I'll see you next time on How Hacks.